Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left lid hinge in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. Set the panel upside down on a sturdy surface, covered with a towel or blanket. Lift the panel up to detach the two spring housings. Use pliers to squeeze the retaining clip to fully release the lid hinge spring from the left hinge. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the hinge to the lid. You can now remove the old hinge. Before you install the new lid hinge, make sure the hinge bearing is in place. Now insert the new hinge and thread the screws to secure it. Realign both the retaining clip and the spring housing on the hinge. The clip should be positioned in the groove. Lift the panel back up so you can insert the two spring housing pins in their respective brackets. Returning to the appliance, realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the two spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.